Welcome guys to the episode Skyward I want to talk about the ballet song, also known as the butterfly line. Just bought this morning. So if you guys don't know, of course you guys don't because I haven't posted any video talking about it yet, but I just finished my final term exam, and so because I finished all my exams, so around 1 or 2 days before that, I ordered a butterfly knife online because I found that very interesting. I've heard of a lot of person playing that, but never had a chance to experience it. Plus, just stumbled across a video of while talking about I don't know 20 levels of butterfly knife that just got my interest, which is why I'm here today. Oh my god. What so as I said before, I've just finished my final term exam. So a couple days before that, I mean the 2 days before, I just ordered butterfly knife online because I just so happened to stumble across a video on what about I don't know 20 levels of butterfly knife, and it just really got my attention. So I bought one and tried to do some trick with it. That was very great to be honest. That guy's probably hacked. So it just got ordered. It just got shipped to my house this morning, and when it first got it, it was kind of an disappointment. Yeah, disappointment because it was so stiff, man. Like the butterfly knife has two handle, right? The one called safe handle and the one called bite handle, which is the handle that you get by it when you hold it while doing some tricks. So the bite handle on my butterfly knife was extremely stiff, which make it really hard to spin it and do some those tricks. I just got stuck in the wall. So annoying. So the first problem I noticed about the ballet song is that its bite handle is very stiff, which make it extremely difficult to do the tricks, which require a lot of spinning movements. So I tried to apply lubricants and stuff, even try to unscrew the screw on that handle, but none of them seems to work. I got no chance to play this game as well. Hell yeah. Yes, it's invading time. This guy, wait, this is incredible. So because the bike handle was extremely stiff, I looked up for tricks and tutorials how to make it move easier. And I tried to apply lubricants. I tried to unscrew the screw, but none of them seems to be working. Holds up the lubricant. Of course, there's none at my house, so I gotta go out to the grocery store to buy one. And it took me 30 minutes, yeah, half an hour just to buy a small lubricant bottle. But after that, it doesn't seem to improve at all. Maybe a little bit better, but not really smooth. Can you just for holy? So after the fail with the lubricant, I tried to do the unscrew technique, which yeah, as it sounds, you just unscrew the screw a little bit. I think so. I haven't looked it up so clearly, so I really understand exactly how it works. But I cannot do that as well because you need some like really strong flamethrower in order to make it work, and I just don't have one at home. I only have a small little lighter. And that just doesn't seem to be enough. This guy, thank you. He's got no stuff. What is it? So after the unsuccessful attempt with the lubricant, I moved to the God. I got no armor. I moved to the oh, he just jumped out the map by himself. Incredible. Can you just stop? I have no chest plates. Yes, thank you. Submit. Please, no. Destroy X. Oh gosh, no. And after the unsuccessful attempt with the lubricant, I tried the unscrew technique, which as it literally sounds, you just unscrew the screw on the joint of the bison a little bit to make it easier to move. And at first, it sounds like a wonderful idea, but that didn't work either. So I was just kind of depressed and didn't know what to do. So I just stopped. I just put it away until the lunch. When I after every lunch, I will have a walk for around 20 minutes or longer. It's just one of my hobbies. And this guy's totally a hacker. Too many hackers in this game, bro. This is what you get for not having money. So while I was working, I thought that I have nothing to do. My hands are free, and I'm just listening to podcasts. So it might be a good idea to try out that Python again. And in my surprise, it actually worked. Of course, it wasn't a smooth track, normal other one, but I guess that's just a cost for low price for product. Just got accepted, man. If you want something with low price, you should expect it to have low quality as well. So it works. I have to use a little bit more force than normal, but that's fine for me. And I try to do some tricks with it. First, I try the quick draw, which is as it sounds, you just quickly draw it because you just quickly draw it from the forward position. This guy can just let me bridge. Good. No, 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 no. Not about. Holy shit. Pretty hot. Chill. This guy is. You think I have bow, huh? No, he's getting cyberbullied by two of us. Yeah, get him. Get him. You go first. I'm gonna go right after you. No! He knocked me off. It's so annoying. And it didn't take me really long to master that quick draw movement. Maybe also because it's very simple way, but mostly must come from my genius. The fact that I'm a genius tactic when he's standing right at the edge. And it didn't took me long to completely master that move because of course I'm tactical genius and also my factor is that it's very simple movement for newbies. So after that, I moved to the basic opening, which basically you just flip it a little bit over and over, and it will automatically open from thin air. That's it. And look left, please. No, they didn't have a pickaxe, which is completely useless. Let's set some time of the the yes. Yep. Just don't go after me, bro. Don't. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. Stop, stop, stop. Stop that. No. I press F6. And after 20, no, 30 minutes to spare while walking, I've completely mastered those two moves, and now I can proudly say to myself that I've got, I've officially got into the ballet song genre. Yeah, I don't really know how to call it. Like, I'm a non-English speaker, as you guys might see from my voice. I have terrible voice. I'm just doing this to improve my talking in my English. Yes, all those good stuff belong to me. Oh, that's my place. Sorry. It's witness. Only three players left. Only two? Oh, I see him, I see him. I'm gonna start him from back. Die. Kill me, Philip. Not long, bro. Not long, not long. Oh, you have diamond sword? What an adorable weapon. You think you can defeat me with that? So that's it for this episode, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, I cannot show you any images of the very song, but I can let you guys hear. It sounds very nice, bro. Even though it's a cheap one, it's me doing the trip, watch and enjoy. Wait, let me remember how to do it. Oh, I see, got it. See, this is the basic opening. I'm still learning, but it's very great for me for the time being. Hear that? The sound of metal. And so that's it. I'm gonna make another video to talk about the six exams I took in only 4 days. It was kind of painful and depressed. That's the first time I took that many exams in only 4 days. So look forward to it. If you guys enjoy my content and want to see that video, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.